Okay, so we're gonna make the review about the present progressive for future that we was talking in the last class. So present progressive for future. We use it to talk about future plans, and remember that it's important to say when when did it happen, okay? For example, we are flying to New York. I'm using present progressive because I have my verb be and my verb ending with ing. To New York tomorrow morning. And also, I know that it's future because I say when it's going to happen the action and it's going to be in the future. Number 2, I'm seeing my dentist at 5 p.m. So again, I'm using I'm because it's my subject is I. My verb I add ing at the end, and I tell you when at 5 p.m. Okay. And then it told us that we can use some expression to talk about the future. For example, I can use this afternoon, this evening, but tonight we didn't have to add this, okay? Is this afternoon, this evening, or tonight? On, I have to tell the day. So on Monday, on Tuesday, on March 2nd. Tomorrow, it can be morning, tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, or tomorrow night. Next Saturday, next week, next weekend, next month, next year. In, I can use it for month, for seasons, or for years. In May, in the winter, in the summer, in fall, in 2020, 2021, in 2030, okay? And at is usually used for hours or for holidays. For example, at 5 o'clock, at 3:30, at 3 p.m., or at Christmas, at New Year's party, okay? It's holiday like that. And then I have some examples here. He's playing soccer next week. So again, verb be, verb in ing, and my future time expression. We are starting at 5 p.m., verb be, ing, and in this case, I have two time expression at 7 p.m. on Saturday. So if you use it correctly, like the expression that you need for all the other things, you can use you can mix it and you can use it together. And then what is the difference in this evening and tomorrow evening? Good question. So this evening is like during this day, okay? Like for example, this evening is gonna be today at 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. Okay, but it's this day, like today is what? May 16th. And tomorrow evening is gonna be tomorrow. The evening but tomorrow. The evening of May 17th. Okay? So this evening is for the day that you are now, and tomorrow is for the next day. You have another question? No? It was clear, Anna? Okay. So remember, this is for the day that you are now, like today, May 16th, and tomorrow, and it's gonna be the next day, May 17th, for example. Okay. Okay, so now let's answer together your workbook. So go for your workbook, please. It didn't appear the page, but it's page. Let me check. 34 in your workbook. Okay, so let me write it here so you can check it. Page 34. Okay, so now let's do this together. And again, I'm gonna give you. No, Milena, you have to do. You already did this one. I think that you did. You have to do this student book, not the workbook. This one is a workbook. The last part of your book. Yes, 34 workbook is the last part of your book, okay? Okay. So it says complete the text with the words in the box. We have an example. I have a piano lesson this afternoon. Are you going to Pink concert? Okay, so Sully, you're number 1. Victoria 2. Veronica 3. Santiago 4. And Ricardo 5. Okay? Sully, Veronica, Sully, Victoria, Veronica, Santiago, and Ricardo. Okay, Sully. Help me with the first one, please. Yes, thank you. Are you going to Pink concert next week? Victoria? Victoria, Veronica, Santiago, and Ricardo. If you have your answer, you can tell me. I'm not going to school tomorrow morning. Thank you. Tomorrow morning. Veronica, we are going to Hawaii on vacation in the summer. Yes. In the summer. Miami is arriving May 5th. That's Santiago. Ricardo say that is at. I'm meeting my friends at 11 o'clock. Yes, thank you. On May 5, yes, Santiago. My own is arriving on May 5th. Thanks. Okay, so now it says, complete the message with the present progressive form of the words in the box. So I have finished, go, have, meet, not come, study. So remember that I have to use present progressive, that is the verb be. My verb, I change it to ing. And that's it, okay? So let's start. Natalia, you are the number 1. Marlene 2. Juan 3. Joseph 4. And Ivan 5. I have more. And Itzel 6. We have Natalia, Marlene, Juan, Joseph, Ivan, and Itzel.
Hola, Benito, ¿cómo está?
We are meeting, yes. Thank you, Natalia. We are. Okay, so I'm gonna answer here because then I can write it. We are meeting. Thank you. Number 2. Are going. Yes, are going because it's telling that and I, so it's we. We are going. Three. I'm not coming. Yes, I'm not coming. 4. So check, Joseph, that I have is the subject is I. What do you use for I? What is the verb be that you have to use for I? I'm fishing. Finishing. For Ivan, do you have number 4? Yes, it's a we are having.